Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video. Today we have a 2008 Volkswagen Comfort Passat sedan. It is in pretty mint condition, 87,000 miles on it. Just point out one little blemish here. We got a defect on a gouge on the rear trunk there, but besides that, this thing is in really good shape. You got a couple of very small dings there. Scratch on the rocker panel plastic there. I don't know if it's showing up, but kind of could see it. 2.0 engine. It is pretty, for what it is, pretty loaded up. Leather, sunroof. The interior is in mint condition. We just put a new headliner in it too. You can see it's like not even satin. Brand new headliner. Seats are in great shape, not a tear in them, nothing. Go ahead and give it a start up. 87,254 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You can call us or text us. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we also have a repair shop on premises. We have a Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche, other luxury vehicle. Definitely give us a shout. We can help you out, get you back on the road. No service too big, no service too small. So definitely give us a shout. Thanks for checking out our video.